Ready to upgrade your home after selling? It's an exciting journey, but you need a solid plan. Many homeowners in Port Orchard, Bremerton, and Silverdale want a larger, better located home. Yet, qualifying for a bigger mortgage takes preparation and strategy. Lenders evaluate your financial health differently as a move-up buyer. They're interested in your income stability, credit profile, debt-to-income ratio, and how you'll use your sale proceeds. Knowing these factors helps you shop with confidence. First, ensure your income is consistent and well documented. Lenders favor steady W-2 income and self-employment history. Next, your credit score matters. An excellent score means better rates and smoother approvals. Keep your debt-to-income ratio low by paying off existing loans with your home sale proceeds. Equity from your first home is a powerful tool. Use it as a down payment for your new home. This reduces your loan amount and improves your approval odds. Timing your sale and purchase also matters. Selling first often simplifies the process. Choose the right loan program for you. Conventional loans work great with strong credit. VA loans offer competitive rates for veterans. FHA loans are perfect if you need smaller down payments. Understand your local market. Port Orchard, Bremerton, and Silverdale each have unique opportunities and challenges. Upgrading should enhance your lifestyle, not add financial stress. Balance your monthly payments with emergency savings and long-term goals. Can you qualify for a bigger mortgage? Absolutely. Selling your first home boosts your financial profile and allows you to aim higher. Connect with a mortgage advisor today for personalized guidance. Start planning your next steps. Get started today.